Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I turned my AC off, but you may hear my fan going in the background, because if I don't have it, I won't be able to do this. So, this is a video response for the hashtag Coffeeanyone, Miss Veronica, but her Coffeeanyone challenge. And all you had to do was a video response. It was open to anybody that wanted to participate. So some of the things that I used were this die set that I got from AliExpress, which I had not hauled for you guys yet, but there it is. This is a DCWV solid cardstock stack, and I've had this forever. I don't even know where I got it from, to be totally honest. I don't remember. This right here is a paper stack that I got from Miss Paulette. Thank you, Miss Fuller. This was a beautiful coffee themed stack, and I used this one from Love You a Latte. This is a Craftsmith one. This was a hot buy from Michaels. So I didn't use a lot of different stuff, but I hopefully you guys will enjoy my projects, and there's only a few. First were the little coffee cup shakers, so that's all I did with those, just little shakers. The teacup, I guess the teacup shaped one-ish, or it could be coffee, and then just a square one. The sequence is just sequence I had in my stash, and these little bowls like right here, those are the bowls that I just got from AliExpress. So that was the first one. The second one I messed up on thoroughly. Okay, I made a Craft Caddy. Oops, I'm sorry. I made this Craft Caddy using the stack that I got from Miss Paulette. Let me see. I don't even remember the name. That's a shame. It was called just coffee. Okay, from the coffee stack that I got from Miss Paulette. And the base is that DCWV paper. Okay, now right now this thing just has a bunch of snacks in it, and some other things, but the paper itself is from, like I said, that coffee stack. That rosette is a Tim Holtz rosette. But this is what was supposed to have happened. Okay, I got this, and I got this. These things were supposed to be in there, but what had happened was I glued this thing down, and I wasn't supposed to. It could have been in there. It probably would have been closer to the front with just a few snacks in it. But since I glued it down, and I didn't want to tear it up, because I could have torn it up, but I didn't want to tear it up. I said, well, no, because I've had to work, and I was kind of tired, but I really wanted to get this done. And so what I said was, I just put all the snacks in here and just let everybody know how I jacked this project up. But this thing has here we go. Back here in the back, we got planters, chocolate nuts and chocolate trail mix and tropical fruit mix. We got Ritz Bits peanut butter and cheese ones, and we got Oreos and Chips Ahoy, and then here's Nutter Butter, and then here are the breakfast bars, the breakfast biscuits, cinnamon and brown sugar, blueberry, which is my absolute favorite, guys. These things are great if you get them from Dollar Tree. They are fantastic to me anyway. This is a chocolate sandwich one, and this is a golden oats, and I also put these little crackers in there as well. So let me put these in here, and we're gonna move these out of the way, and then I'll show you my third and final project. And it's this, and this is one that Miss Paulette helped me with. Bam. I told her that I wanted a larger one, because I did well, you may or may not know, depending on how long you've been subscribed or been watching my channel, I did a smaller one a while ago. I will put it in the iCard somewhere up here, or I'll put links to it in the under the was in the description box below this video. And so I used her paper that she gave me. I created this Keurig. Let me do this. I wish I could take it down some without disturbing you guys. But this is the cup I made. The paper came with this stack as well. And I also used some mini glue dots, and I put a gift card back there. So it's actually a gift card holder as well, with my breakfast biscuits and my coffee themed Keurig. There we go. So those are my projects for Miss vlballen here on YouTube. Coffeeanyone. Let me see if I can push this on over to the middle ish. There we go. There we go. Okay. Just straighten it up a little bit. Okay, guys, so here is my coffee themed trio, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, I want to thank you all so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.